The main dish tonight is sukiyaki. However, I will try to come up with a vegan version. Many of you told me that I love sukiyaki, but I'm a vegan and can't eat it, so I will do my best for you guys. Starting by cooking the rice. I like to add beans and black rice. A rice cooker is a must-have for me. What brand do you guys use? Let me know in the comment section. Next, make miso soup. I usually put a lot of ingredients in my miso soup, but today I wanted to embrace the taste of dashi stock, so I simply used green onions and wakame seaweed. I decided to use the red miso tonight. Make sure to off the heat before removing the miso to retain the aroma. Children go to the soccer on Sunday evenings, so in that time window, I usually do meal prep and prepare dinner. I often get to be asked what kind of brands that I use for the dashi bag. I do try multiple kinds because we have many options in Japanese supermarket, like this. I love Kayanoya. It's not sponsored or anything, but I just love the flavor combination of this Kayanoya dashi. And I heard those food in the US, you guys have a store and also can get it online. So I hope you guys gonna try this. Next is a vegan sukiyaki. 指気をつけて、おい、怖い。おー、ちょっと待って。おー、怖い。こっち側にしよう。はい、こっち側にしよう。こっち側押さえて。猫の手、猫の手、猫の手。Onions alone are fine, but I love simmering leeks because they become sweet and tender when simmered. After removing the stem from the shiitake mushrooms, cut off the ends. Break the rest by hand. I like to add at least 2 kinds of mushrooms to create a dimension in flavor. We usually don't have tomatoes in sukiyaki, but when I was pregnant with my first baby, right after the morning sickness was over, my parents-in-law brought me to the sukiyaki restaurant, and that's when I tried sukiyaki with the tomato for the first time. I still remember the taste now, so I wanted to share with you guys in this recipe. I recommend using firm tofu rather than silken tofu. Japanese firm tofu is so soft that it almost falls apart when cooked. So I use thick fried tofu this time, but firm tofu absorbs the flavor better. I like the onions to be lightly browned as more aroma will come out. Add 2 kinds of mushrooms and tomatoes, followed by seasonings. Push the kombu down so that it's submerged in the sauce. Cover the lid and simmer for 5 minutes. After adding the tofu, cook over medium heat for 10 minutes. You don't need to cover the lid because we want to let the sauce evaporate to thicken. In the meantime, make 2 side dishes. This is the eggplant and cucumber salad that I made yesterday. It's a simple recipe, just slice everything thinly and mix. The exact measurement is posted on my blog. The link is in the description box. Make a tofu salad called hiyayakko in Japanese. Just put shoyu koji, chili oil, and green onions on top of the tofu. I recommend this chili oil. It contains ginger and garlic. It has a nice crunchy texture. By the time our rice is ready, let's take a look at sukiyaki. smells really good. But stay tuned for the taste test after this. There was something wrong with this. If you ask me what do you recommend during summer in Japan, first thing comes in my mind is fresh edamame. If you only taste frozen edamame, it'll blow your mind.
Nani それよし食べていいけどちょっと軽いかも辛いかも生姜だから生姜だよそれ大丈夫辛い大丈夫うまっお豆腐だけど食べれるおお
I didn't thicken the sauce enough, so it was a bit bland in my first attempt.
あ痛いな
I boil it down for another 5 minutes. Always make sure to do the taste test and adjust the taste with soy sauce and mirin if it's needed. Again, the exact measurement is on my blog. The key to success is to thicken the sauce until it's not soupy anymore. If you add too much tomatoes, the sauce will be diluted since the tomato contains lots of juice. Vegan Sukiyaki actually tasted better on the next day, so great for meal prepping too. If you like this type of recipe and want to incorporate more in your daily cooking, join our membership called Ikigai Cooking Club. I'll send you a weekly meal plan. Thankfully, we have members from all over the world, and we share our creations to establish home cooking habits. Sometimes members just talk about the Japanese culture too. The enrollment is currently closed, but feel free to put your name on the waitlist. I will contact you once it's reopened. Thanks a lot for watching and see you on the next vlog. Bye bye. またね